Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to our Feel Good Yoga Time. Today, we're moving our bodies in a gentle and happy way. If you like yoga like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Standing tall with feet hip-width apart, arms lifted overhead, hands together, upper body leaning gently to each side. Switch sides. From chair pose, twist your torso and bring opposite elbow to knee. Keep knees aligned. Alternate between left and right. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. On hands and knees with a flat back, shoulders over wrists, and hips over knees. Kneel on hands and knees, slide arms forward, chest melts toward the floor while hips stay lifted.
Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms.
Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. From all fours, slide one arm under the body, resting gently on the shoulder and cheek. Repeat both sides. Lie on your back, bring knees to chest, let both knees fall to one side while shoulders stay grounded. Switch sides. Let's stay here and breathe together for 30 seconds. Breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Feel your body resting and feeling good. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved, stretched, and felt really good. If you enjoyed this yoga time, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.